Here we go. Your Muppet hostess is going to show you the draw, which is Canada v Laos. Into the basket of destiny. Oh yes, Laos, Laos, Laos. Into the basket of destiny. Laos being folded up very nicely there. Ooh, nice little flick of the wrist. My goodness, look at that hand action. Fantastic. Very nice. Okay, into the basket. And here it goes. The basket of truth. Oh yes, there we go. All the bubbles coming out of it. Very nice. And here we go. This time for real. Here we go. It is going to be... what could it possibly be but... Canada! Woohoo! Okay, crowd response here. Scorpio.
How did that happen?
I think it was absolutely perfectly fair, and the best team won. What can I say?